The first shipwrecks down here, there were none of these castaway depots established. This one here in Erebus Cove at Port Ross was made up of 3 buildings. The one behind me here was the food store. Behind it was the main castaway hut. It was used by the survivors of the Dundonald in 1907 when they got around here from being wrecked on Disappointment Island. Behind us here is the boat shed. The survivors could move from island to island or attempt rescue. There was a castaway depot established here in 1881 called the Stella Depot.
Did anyone use that depot?
Yes, a few years later in 1887, on the reef behind us, the Derry Castle went aground here in a storm. A lot of the crew were killed, drowned. The survivors used the Stella Depot and survived here quite well. These shelters gave security to quite a few of the shipwrecks that occurred in the latter period. Sadly, when the people of the Invercooled were here, this was just an abandoned settlement.